I'm sure you've heard the news. Babies sneeze a lot. But guess what? It's not always about Doc. For now, enjoy those adorable sneezes. They're just part of the baby show.